Bit bloody fresh at the moment. Not sure if you can see me breath. Maybe this way. Well, just got out. This is one of the places that you unload yourself, so it's good in that sense. -4. Even though it's 7:30 in the morning, -4. So as you can see, I've got the long sleeves on. I don't usually like to wear long sleeves, but it's too cold not to. So then I'll just bring you along for a little unload, because a lot of people like to see all the driving stuff, but there's a lot of stuff that goes on other than the driving. So it's almost a full load. And I've got the other side halfway open. Or half finished, I should say. I'll undo these. So this is one of the times where I've done actually a full load. It's not like a milk run where you got to drop one off here and one off here and one off here. 20 pallets. I think it worked out to be about 23.5 tonne. I won't show you rolling up the straps, that's a bit boring. Probably not open wide enough. I know someone will like this little manoeuvre. Open it up. Alright, so probably about as easy as you can get. We're just going to put all that right here. We might try and bunch some of it up and keep the same product together. I suppose we'll just see how we go. We won't block the door off. These pellets, they're fucking, these are like the odd sized ones. They're longer one way and skinnier the other. At least they're neat. And quite often you pick up these things and they're among the ugliest things you've ever seen. didn't count to start off. Probably don't want to come out too far from the shed. We might only go 3. We might go 4 out. We can go 4. Do we go 4? Yeah, we'll go 4 out. It'll be right. Oh, yeah, too far forward there. I like to just leave enough room for someone else to turn around if they have to here. There's always stuff getting dropped off here. I've let the workers know that I'm here. They said, oh yeah, we'll get there. We'll get up there later. But you don't want to be a complete idiot and block off someone else's turn circle if there's someone else coming after me here. So not sure if you can see the breath now. I think it's actually getting fucking colder. Either that or, you know, quite often it feels a lot colder when you're whizzing around on a forklift. That's why I keep my gloves on. So I think as well, this is the first outside video that I'm trying with a GoPro. So wait till I stop bouncing around. It's not the smoothest of places, but let me know what the sound's like. Let me know what the video's like the quality, I guess, the angle. That's something I think I'll probably just have to play with over time. Obviously, if it's made it to YouTube, it's, you know, when I plug it into the computer and have a look, it's obviously it's okay. the next little thing I've got to do from here, I'm just going straight to Sydney. And picking up a full load down there. So what I've got to do, after I do this one, before we pull the curtains back and unload up the front there, I better get another grab on that. I've got to move these two floors because what I'm picking up down in Sydney is 38 pallets. And this is only a 22 pallet trailer. So you say, okay, well, how do you pick up 38 pallets? Of course they're not far enough apart. You got to raise your floor. It's a lot easier with more than one person, but I'm the only one here, so usually that's when the other person will jump up. These. We want these ones at number 10. Then here, get out. And then our floor will sit in there. Like a finger in the bum. It's straight in there. And we'll do this back one as well. So that gives us, oh, we're a bit skewy here. So this will give us another 16 pallet spaces we can pick up. We got 16 down the bottom, 16 up top, and 6 up the front. So when we're all done, let's get the battery blower and I'll clean all this out, so that when I go down to Big Smoke, they don't whinge about it being messy. No numbers on the back here. I think that's about the right. We've got numbers on this side, not that side, so you'll pretty much remember where to put them. Oh, mate, how you going? Looks like we got help now anyway. One of them's turned up. We might just end it there anyway. If you liked it, if it turned out any good, let me know and we'll do all sorts of little videos. See how it all turns out. Bye now.